How do we construct a perpendicular bisector? So our goal is to construct a perpendicular bisector, which is basically just a perpendicular line, when it makes 90-degree angles, except that the second line needs to cut the first line directly in half. So not only do these need to be 90-degree angles, but also this part of the line here needs to be the same length as this part of the line here. It needs to be directly in half. So to start this, all we need to do is just draw a line. A line anywhere you want. This is what we're going to be working with. Now our next step is to draw two arcs, and we're going to do that with our compass. So I'm going to put the compass point right here on the left side of our line, and I'm going to spread it out like a little bit more than halfway, right? And we're going to lock our compass. And we just need to make a big arc. So like this. Then I'm going to keep the same compass length. So make sure your compass is locked. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side of our line. So we're going to go to the other corner here, and we're going to go ahead and draw another arc. So an arc like this. And you should have this weird shape that looks like a fish with like two tails. And that's actually all we need to do with our compass. We can go ahead and put our compass away. And now we have 2 points. This little X here and this little X here are going to be our 2 points for drawing our line, our bisector. So go ahead and pull out your straight edge, and we're going to line it up in between the two tails of the fish, or whatever you want to call it. So I would say that that's lined up. So let's go ahead and take our pencil and draw a line that connects the two. And there you go. You now have a perpendicular bisector. So these are going to make 90-degree angles, but also this part of the line here is the same length as this part of the line here. It cuts it directly in half. So that's how you construct a perpendicular bisector. But there are a lot of other types of constructions that you'll need to do. Like, for example, you'll probably have to take an angle and construct a copy of the same angle. If you want to learn how to do that construction, you can watch this video right here. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thanks for watching.